Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll show you how to quickly retempt a failed subscription payment in Zoho subscriptions. Step 1. Check the failure reason. Log in to Zoho subscriptions, open the customer's payment history, and review why the payment failed. Step 2. Verify payment method. Ensure the customer's card or bank details are correct, active, and not expired. Step 3. Fix any issues. Update invalid payment information or ask the customer to refresh their details. Step 4. Retry the payment. Use the retry payment option in Zoho subscriptions to trigger the charge again. Step 5. Confirm successful billing. Check the subscription status to ensure the payment processed successfully. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more quick Zoho tips.